Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, towel dry hair to about 70% dampness and comb through to remove tangles because wet hair hides true length. Use clippers with a 2-4 guard for sides or scissors for a softer finish. Choose based on the look you want. Once done with one side, move to the other, keeping consistent guard height or snip length. Make small, controlled passes rather than big chops. This prevents mistakes and sets a clean foundation for shaping and texturizing next. Next, you refine shape and blend. Use clipper over comb or scissors over comb to soften the transition between sides and top because harsh lines look unnatural. Texturize the top by point cutting or using a thinning shear to create movement and reduce bulk. Remember to cut less than you think. Once done, tilt the head forward and backward and use a mirror to check symmetry. Adjust in small increments. Make sure to step back frequently. This helps you see the overall silhouette and correct imbalance before finishing. Finish by drying and styling. Apply a pea-sized amount of matte paste or 1-2 pumps of lightweight pomade, distribute through damp hair, then blow dry on low for shape. Once styled, inspect hairline and blend any visible banding. Use scissors to trim tiny bits rather than clippers. If things go wrong, uneven length or blunt lines, don't panic. Reblend by cutting in small 1/8 to 1/4 inch increments, comb frequently, and reassess. That corrective approach keeps the cut natural and fixes most mistakes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.